Don't wake up, Mama. 5 little monkeys wake up with the sun. Today is Mama's birthday. 5 little monkeys tiptoe past Mama sleeping. Let's bake a birthday cake. Shh! Don't wake up Mama. 1 little monkey reads the recipe. 2 cups of flour, 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Sift everything together, but don't sneeze. You'll wake up Mama. Achoo! Achoo! Shh! Don't wake up Mama. 5 little monkeys check on Mama. She's still asleep. We can finish making the cake. 1 little monkey reads the recipe. Add 4 eggs. 4 little monkeys each get some eggs. And we need sugar and oil. Don't spill the oil. But 1 little monkey spills. And another little monkey slips and falls. Crash! Yikes! Shh! Don't wake up Mama. 5 little monkeys check on Mama. She's still asleep. We can finish making the cake. 1 little monkey reads the recipe. Next, mix everything together and put it into pans. Then bake the cake in the oven. Another little monkey says, "Now we can go up to our room and make a present for Mama." 5 little monkeys start to make a present. Bang, bang, screech. Shh! Don't wake up Mama. 1 little monkey says, "Do you smell something burning?" 5 little monkeys race past Mama sleeping. Shh! Don't wake up Mama. Oh no! The cake dripped all over. Turn off the oven. Save the cake. Shh! Don't wake up Mama. Look, here comes the fire engine, says 1 little monkey. Shh! Don't wake up Mama, says another little monkey. Where's the fire? Shouts a fireman. It's not a fire, sniffs 1 little monkey. We ruined Mama's birthday cake. Wait, says another little monkey. This cake doesn't taste too bad. Frosting might help, says the other fireman. 5 little monkeys and 2 firemen frost the cake. Now we can wake up Mama. 5 little monkeys and 2 firemen sing to Mama very, very, very loudly. And Mama wakes up. What a wonderful surprise, she says. But my birthday is tomorrow. Oh no, say 5 little monkeys. But can we still have birthday cake for breakfast? Why not, says Mama. 5 little monkeys, 2 firemen, and Mama thinks the birthday cake is delicious. One little monkey whispers, "We can bake another cake tomorrow." Another little monkey says, "Shh, don't tell Mama." War talks in the kitchen. 1. One little chef thinks he'll cook today. 2. Two clean hooves, all the germs washed away. I want to help. I won't make a mess. Better find some measures. We can't just guess. 3. Three cake makers read the book to check how. 4. 4 scoops of sugar should go in now. There's something in the bowl that shouldn't be there. Get out this instant, you greedy little bear. 5. 5 scoops of butter. Beat and beat some more. 6. 6 cracked eggs. How many on the floor? I found a jar of pickles. Should pickles go in too? Pickles in cupcakes. Well, perhaps just a few. 7. 7 scoops of flour should make the mixture just right. 8. 8 pink tongues lick lips at the sight. Put them in the cupcake pans. Let's each have a turn. Pop them in the oven. Don't let them burn. 9. 9 minutes cooking and our cakes will be ready. 10. 10 cupcakes, 2 tiny ones for Teddy. 0. 0 cakes left. They're down in each tummy. We're excellent cooks. Those cupcakes were yummy. Baker, baker, cookie maker. Cookie monster, cookie eater, mixes batter with his beater. Drops the dough onto the sheet. Bakes the cookies, good to eat. He puts the cookies on a plate. Takes a cookie. Oops, too late. Baker, baker, cookie maker. Here comes a hungry cookie taker. Cookies, cookies, monster treat. Some for munchers, some for crunchers. None for the baker on Sesame Street. Cookie monster, cookie cutter, makes a batch with peanut butter. Cuts the cookies out of dough, puts them on the plate. Oh no! Baker, baker, cookie maker, here comes another cookie taker. Cookies, cookies, monster treat. Some for hikers, some for bikers. None for the baker on Sesame Street. Cookie monster, Cookie Master makes more cookies, even faster. He pats the cookies nice and flat, makes them, bakes them. Look at that! Baker, baker, cookie maker, here come some more cookie takers. Cookies, cookies, monster treat. Some for hoppers, some for moppers. And one for the baker on Sesame Street. The best mouse cookie. Mouse has everything he needs to make cookies. He adds flour, salt, and a little music. Mouse thinks baking is easy. Sometimes. The bigger the drop, the louder the plop. Now Mouse needs a little nap. He makes himself comfortable. A little too comfortable. Oh well, Mouse doesn't mind starting over. There is no such thing as too many cookies. But the best cookie is the one you share with a friend. Just ask Mouse. Piggies in the kitchen. Little snouts and curly tails. Pink feet jumping high. Hugs and kisses all around. Mama says goodbye. Piggies in the kitchen. Climb up to the top. Dig through all the cupboards. Careful not to drop. Squeeze out sticks of butter. Flour in the bowl. Carton takes a tumble. Eggs begin to roll. Pour another cup. Vroom, vroom, someone's driving up. Cover up the batter. Hide the wooden spoon. Brush away the sugar, whistling a tune. Snap, snap, go the blinds. Is Mama coming now? Nope, it isn't Mama. It's only Mrs. Cow. Piggies in the kitchen. Sprinkle chocolate chips. 2 sneak the frosting, and 1 piggy drips. Swish, swish, oink, oink. Stir it to the beat. Vroom, vroom. Someone's in the street. Cover up the batter, hide the wooden spoon. Brush away the sugar, whistling a tune. Snap, snap, go the blinds. Who's outside the house? Nope, it isn't Mama. It's only Mrs. Mouse. Piggies in the kitchen. Roll the dough across. Add cinnamon and whipped cream. Pour the chocolate sauce. Twist, twist, oink, oink. Open up the jar. Vroom, vroom. Piggies holler. Car! Cover up the batter. hide the wooden spoon, brush away the sugar, whistling a tune. Snip, snap go the blinds. Beep, beep. Nope, it isn't Mama. It's only Mrs. Sheep. Piggy's in the kitchen. Wipe off baby's dress. Papa yells, "Oh no! Who made such a mess?" Come on, Papa, help us. Turn the oven high. Yum, yum, oink, oink. Don't forget the pie. Ding, ding. Take the goodies out. Sniff, sniff. Oink, oink. Watch your little snout. Mama's really coming. Baby Piggy's stuck. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Everybody, duck. Mama's in the kitchen. She can't believe her eyes. Pop, pop, pop. What a pig surprise. Oink, oink, squeak, squeak. Ba, ba, moo. Happy birthday, Mama. We love you.